Right, here we go. I'm just going to do a little job on Luke's bike. We're just going to fit the quad lock charging unit. So here we go. So here's Luke's bike. Already fitted the quad lock there. So as we understand, take those two bolts out there to take the seat off. Then we're going to take that centre cover, one bolt there, two bolts there, another one there, and one there, and then I think that whole tank cover comes off. Anyway, let's see how we get on. There we are, we've got the tank cover off. To get tank cover off, you'll need a bolt that was in there for this, for the tank casing, tank cover. A couple of bolts down there, a clip there, one a bit further around here, same on the other side, and then we've got to lift the tank. We've had to take a bolt out there from both sides. Right, so we've got it on. There's the wire there. We've threaded it through. It's on the battery there. We tried testing it. Where's your cable? So we put the cable goes in there, just underneath the quad lock, and then into the phone. Initially, it wouldn't charge. And what we found is the quad lock case and the charging cable needs to be pushed right up into the case, otherwise it won't charge. So now the problem is, well, not problem, but we're going to put all the fairing back together and cable tie the rest of the cable up, and then snip all the cable ties that we've put on sea.